guys, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a fun DIY tutorial with you. I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous layered embellished paper clips that you see here. Now the first thing that you're going to need is paper clips. You will also need some pretty paper and then embellishments of your choice. My favorite are little pieces of ephemera, stickers, and little rhinestones or sequins. So the first thing that you are going to do is pick out which paper clips you want to use. I tend to really love these giant gold ones here, and I believe those are from an old Jen Hadfield collection. And then I pick out some papers that I think are going to look good with those paper clips, and I'm trying to do my best to match the ones that I have already made. So you can see the two paper clips up top there that I've already made. I'm trying to stay within that same color palette. So some teals, bluish, greenish, black and white, and pink. And I think I do a pretty good job of that. And that just makes it so all of the paper clips come together really easily and quickly. So the first thing that I do is take my pattern paper that I picked out and cut it into a flag shape that can be bent in half. So I fold it in half over itself, and then I cut the bottom of it to look like a little banner there, as you can see. And then once I get that wrapped around my paper clip, I'm just going to use some double-sided sticky tape to adhere that all together and glue it all down. If you hear ambient noise in this video, I'm sorry. Things are a little bit hectic around here. It has been raining for like the last week straight, and I can hear the rain and I can hear all the cars passing by, driving through these giant puddles and swishing up water. So it might be a little noisy in the background. Please excuse that. And then back to the tutorial here. I like to layer up my papers to create the base of my layered embellished paper clips here. And you can do this with either your paper, or you can also use washi tape as well. So in the paper clip up top that has the butterfly on it, you can see where I used a gold polka dotted washi tape there as my middle flag in between the layer of the pink flag and then the floral white and pink paper. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this paper clip that I'm currently working on. I have this black and white washi tape, and you can see how I use my scissors to cut it into a flag or banner shape at the bottom. And then I'm carefully going to fold it over my paper clip to overlap with the paper layer that I already have down, and cut it again on the back side so it looks good from both the front and the back. And then I'm going to take a piece of pink patterned paper here, and I'm going to layer that up as my third paper layer. And by the time that I get to this cute little pink layer, my paper clip is already feeling a little bulky. That will happen if you're using thick cardstock to create these. So you may want to use your tiny attacher, if you have one, to shut or close some of these little paper banners here. So you can see I end up using a staple on that little pink bit right there, because that pattern paper was really thick and it did not want to fold over the paper clip and stay shut very well. So I just gave it a little bit of assistance. And now I am going through my September Scrap My Stash kit that I have put together. You can find this video on my channel where I put this kit together and show you all the stuff that I was trying to get out of my stash for the month of September. And you can also see my video from the end of the month of September, so you can see all the stuff that I was successful in using up. I used up tons of stuff, including the stuff that you see in this video. So all these little papers and ephemeras and rhinestones and stuff, those were from that kit, and I love it. I think all of these paper clips end up looking very end of summery, beginning of fall-y. If I'm making up words now, fall-y, summery, it's all good. You know what I mean. I love the way that they look with the wood veneer there and all the cute little bug ephemeras and animal ephemeras that I end up using, and then all of the rhinestones and sequins. So you can see how I embellished and created that blue embellished paper clip there with the ampersand wood veneer on it. And then I also just glued down some sequins and rhinestones around it. And now I am working on another one. And for this one, I'm going to layer up some gold and some pink papers. I really love the way that this looks. I think if you're going to make these, go all out. I love layering up the different paper layers and bits. I think it is a lot of fun. You can see I'm also layering up some ephemera there. I've got a circle acetate pink dot, and then I've got that cute little camera. And I love the way that looks. Super cute. I just love to layer them all up. I don't want to make them too bulky, but I do want them to look gorgeous. So I pretty much just keep laying stuff down until I find something that I'm happy with. And now you can see me decorating yet another one of these that I put together. And for this one, I'm using a cute little acorn ephemera and a wood veneer, and then also some more sequins and rhinestones. Super cute. And I think that helps this whole set transition into fall, because I will be using these. I've got some fun videos coming for you this month. I gifted some of these layered paper clips here to one of my friends for their birthday. So I've got a couple more DIY present and embellish type DIY videos coming for you. A fun video on how to package up the presents with scrapbooking supplies to make it look super beautiful. And then obviously the paper clips that I did not gift to my friend, I will be using myself. So really excited to share with you all that fun stuff. And I think I'm very babbly in this video, so please excuse that. I'm not sure what's up. I'm a little out of practice. It's been a week since I've recorded, but here we go. I'm just repeating the same process over and over and over again, layering up papers, putting on embellishments until I find an arrangement that I like. And here you can see the close-up of some of these gorgeous paper clips. I love how they turned out. This bunny one is my absolute favorite. I cannot wait to use it in my war binder. And you can see some of the dimension that I have on these using foam dots to pop up some of the embellishments. Super pretty. I love it all. I hope you guys are feeling inspired to dig into your stash and to create some fun DIY projects that you can use in your paper crafting endeavors. And thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!